Now I have two tasks for you. The first task I will solve with you, and the second task I will not solve with you. So the first task is I want you to add two languages, the Spanish language and the Italian language. So this task I'm gonna solve it with you. But I want you first to do it with your own. Then come back and see my solution. Now I'm done with the task. First I opened the file of language codes to get the code of Spanish, and it was ES, and the Italian, and it was IT. So I created two files, one for it.json and another for es.json for Spanish. Then I go to ChatGPT and give it this command. Please make two JSON files for those translations, for Italian and Spanish. And I give it the English file, this file here. Then he generated for me the translation for Italian and translation for Spanish. And finally, I tested it in Postman and I got responses. Here's in Italian and here is in Spanish. So I hope you've done this task successfully, and I have another task for you. I want you in this task to add your own language. So if you are from India, add the Hindi language. If you are from China, add the Chinese language, and so. So it's a task for you. Please add your language here and test it with Postman.